I will show you now, so stay with me. Okay, first what we're starting to do is warm up our leg. So we're starting to work and slowly take it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open hip 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, we'll try take strong leg. So if you want good split, stay with me now. Okay, we'll try open, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5. Okay, try working with a strong leg and pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Catch our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try take 2 legs and split. 2 legs and split. 2 legs and stay in split. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Take our breathe. Slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys that you watched this video. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me and write me good comments. So bye bye.